Good morning to all. Today we are going to take one design thinking topic. So in that design thinking, it involves five stages. So stages of design thinking is first one is empathy, second one is define, third one is ideate, fourth one is prototype, and last one is test. So the each topic it will be covered by this five stages. So first one is what is meant by empathy. Empathy means we find out the pain point of the users. So that means the if you take one uh, object, so in that object definitely the problem it will become, and this is called as empathy. Next one is define. So in that things, for example, one product having many kind of problems. So in that define area we find out the most critical problem, and the third one is uh, ideate. So in that ideate stage, each problems we will provide the many solutions. So in that idea part we will find out the suitable and benefit solutions for this problem. It will be satisfy the users or not. These are all things it will be evaluated, and it will be implemented in this idea part. Next one is prototype. So in that prototype, for example, in that we will apply the solutions to the problem. It will be work or not. It will be suitable to solve this problem or not. These are the things it will be evaluated in the prototype part. Next one is testing. So in that testing part, the ideate the idea it will be implemented to the product. So in that product it will be run success or not, and it will be satisfy the users feedback or not. These are the things it will be evaluated in the testing part. So today we are going to take one design thinking based topic, like futures aircraft to fly without fossil fuels. So nowadays many aircrafts are flying with fuels. So in futures they are implementing the aircraft will fly without fuel. So now the many uh, researchers are going like hybrid motors, solid propellant rockets. So in that things it will be implemented in rocket engines only. So the if I introduce the aircraft means we will modify the engines by based on the applications. So now the sessions it will be hand over to the students. Students they are elaborately discuss about this topic.
I'm Divyadashni from Aerospace Engineering. So I'm here to share about Empathize in Aerospace, discuss the importance of understanding user needs in aerospace engineering, provide examples of how design thinking can help engineers empathize with pilots, astronauts or passengers. Ideate for innovation. Showcase examples of innovative aerospace designs inspired by design thinking. Highlight the benefits of ideation in generating creative solutions. Prototype and test. Importance of prototyping and testing in aerospace engineering. Discuss how design thinking can help engineers iterate and refine their aerospace application. Present a real-world example of design thinking in aerospace engineering. Highlight the challenges, solutions, and outcomes of the project. Conclusion. Summarize the benefits of design thinking in aerospace engineering. Encourage engineers to apply design thinking principles in their.
The problems. Aviation contributes about 2 to 3% of global CO2 emission, and this is risking the most people travel by air, jet fuel, and aviation kerosene is very energy dense, making it perfect for powering long-term rides, but terrible for the climate. If we want to protect our future, we need the cleaner, renewable ways to fly and still meet aviation needs, demands for speed, safety, and range. Hydrogen propulsion. Hydrogen propulsion is one of the most exciting solutions. It is nearly 3 times the energy per kilogram. Compared to the jet fuel, we just use the fuel cell and burn the turbine. It produces only water vapor. Paris is already developing a zero hydrogen aircraft, aiming for the first flight by 2035. Hydrogen would power both short and long-term flights, but it will require new aircraft designs and major changes to aircraft infrastructure. Thank you.
Challenges vision for future. Each of these solutions face challenges. Hydrogen requires large include tanks, batteries. Need to lighter than and SAF must be provided on. But this vision is clear by 2050. You sold me board a plane that flies silently powered by clean energy, connecting to the world without damaging the planet. The future of flight is electric aircraft and suitable aviation fuel. Electric aircraft use battery powered motors, efficient, quite zero emission travel. Today they are limited to shorter range routes because batteries are still today have for long distance, but the improvements are coming fast. Another option is suitable aviation fuel or SAFs made from waste crops or capture CO2. SAF can cut emission by to 80% and can already be used in today's jet engine without